Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the edge lighting effect or edge lighting style on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE or any other latest One UI 8 devices. By default, when you receive the notification, you can't see any edge lighting style or edge lighting color on your device. If you want to set the edge lighting color and edge lighting style, follow this tutorial. Tap Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Here you can search for the edge lighting style or edge lighting effect or scroll down up to the notifications. To tap on the notifications on your device. Here you can find the notification pop-up style. That will helpful to customize the appearance of a notification pop-up. So tap on it. Now here you can see two options, brief and detail notification. So if you want to detail all the notifications, select the detail option. In the both you can adjust the edge lighting effect. So select the option you want to use. Now tap on the edge lighting effect. Here you can see the list of different effects on your both sides when you receive notification. So let's see the different effects. Here this is the basic effect. This is the glitter effect. So this is the heart effect. Now here you can see the heart effect at the top middle. Now fireworks. Here you can see the firework effect. So this eclipse effect, echo effect, spotlight. So this is the all available different effects available on your device. You can also change the edge lighting color. If you want to set by default, set the auto. Now select the color and you want to select the color when you receive the notification how it looks on your top middle of the screen. So select the color on your device you want to set. So also customize your favorite color you want like this. Tap on a done option and you can see whenever you receive the notification on your device. In the advanced settings, you can set the transparency as a low or high or duration time you want to show on the notification is lighting effect on your device. So set transparency or duration. So quite easy to change the edge lighting color, edge lighting effect on your device. If you don't want to use, just select the non option. That's by default available. So select the style. Here we select the heart option and tap on a done option. So whenever we receive the notification, we in my device see the edge lighting style or effect. That's it. They like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.